بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، جغرافی کلاس سیٹ جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کے چیپٹر نمبر 3 کے آج کویسچن آنسرز کریں گے۔ اس چیپٹر نمبر 3 کا نام ہے انوائرمنٹل پالوشن۔ تو پہلے وہ والے کویسچن کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن، پھر اس کے بعد ایکسٹرا یعنی ایڈیشنل شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی کریں گے۔ تو چلو شروع کرتے ہیں۔ پہلے وہ شارٹ کویسچنز جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں ان کے آنسرز۔ اچھا، کویسچن نمبر 1، what is meant by pollution؟ آنسر: Pollution is the presence of addition of harmful substances in the environment that damage living and non-living things. Question 2, what are the causes of greenhouse effect? Answer: the greenhouse effect is caused by emission of gases like carbon dioxide yani CO2, burning of fossil fuels, industrial and transport activities, or deforestation. Question number 3, name the types of pollution. Answer: the main types of pollution are water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, light pollution. Question number 4, suggest strategies to reduce air pollution. Answer: air pollution can be reduced to reduce use of vehicles, control industrial emissions, avoid burning fuels and waste, plant more trees, use eco-friendly energy sources. Acha, question number 5, what is meant by global warming? Answer: global warming is the gradual increase in Earth's temperature due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Question number 4, enlist the causes of noise pollution. Answer: causes of noise pollution include traffic and vehicles, industrial machinery, construction activities, loudspeakers and audio devices, home appliances. اچھا، اب ہے وہ والے لانگ کویسچن جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں ان کے آنسرز کرتے ہیں۔ Question number 1, describe the causes and impacts of water pollution. Answer: the causes and impacts of water pollution are as under. Causes: industrial and domestic waste, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, oil spills and sheep leakage, hospital waste, dumping of solid waste into water. Impacts: causes diseases like cholera, typhoid and diarrhea. Harms aquatic life, reduces water quality, causes liver and kidney problems in humans. Question number 2, write the causes and impacts of soil pollution. Answer: causes and impacts of soil pollution are: causes: use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, deforestation, industrial and domestic waste, unplanned urbanization, construction activities. Impacts: reduces soil fertility, causes health problems, leads to water pollution, increases overall environmental pollution. Question number 3, describe the causes and impacts of global warming. Answer: causes and impacts of global warming include: causes: greenhouse gases yani CO2, CS, burning of fossil fuels, industrial and transport emissions, deforestation. Impacts: rising temperatures, melting glaciers, floods and droughts, climate change, health problems. اچھا، اب ہے کویسچن نمبر 4، ایکسپلین دی کازز اینڈ امپیکٹس آف ایئر پولوشن. آنسر: دی کازز اینڈ امپیکٹس آف ایئر پولوشن از ایکسپلینڈ بلو. کازز: vehicle emissions, industrial smoke, burning of fuels, deforestation, natural events like volcanoes. Impacts: respiratory diseases, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, global warming, eye, nose, and throat infections. Question number 5. Describe the impacts of noise pollution on human beings. So, answer. The impacts of noise pollution on human beings are hearing problems and deafness, headaches, sleeplessness, high blood pressure, psychological stress. Question number 6. How can we reduce the effects of greenhouse gases causing global warming? Answer. We can reduce the effects of greenhouse gases causing global warming to reduce use of fossil fuels, control industrial emissions, plant more trees, यूज रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी। ये गलती से लिखा गया है YHS, ये गलती से टाइप हुआ है। यहाँ पे सिर्फ है यूज रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी। अच्छा, रिड्यूस यूज ऑफ CFCS, फॉलो 3 R's, यानी रिड्यूस, रीयूज, रिसाइकल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Describe effects of air and water pollution on biodiversity. Answer. The effects of air and water pollution on biodiversity are as under. Causes death of plants and animals, reduces species population, leads to extinction of species, causes water contamination, leads to oxygen depletion in water, yani algae bloom. Pollutants enter food chain and harm humans, reduces overall biodiversity. अच्छा, अब है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं उनके आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सजेस्ट सम वेज टू रिड्यूस प्लास्टिक यूज इन डेली लाइफ. आंसर. फॉलोइंग आर द सम वेज टू रिड्यूस प्लास्टिक यूज इन डेली लाइफ. Use cloth or paper bags, avoid single-use plastics, reuse plastic items, recycle plastic waste, use eco-friendly alternatives. Question number 2. Why do we care about our planet Earth? Answer. We care about Earth because it provides us air, water, food, and shelter. It supports all life. So protecting it is necessary for our survival and future generations. Question number 3. What can we do to stop threats facing Earth biodiversity? Answer. We can do the following to stop threats facing Earth biodiversity. Reduce pollution, protect forests and wildlife, avoid overuse of natural resources, plant more trees, spread awareness about conservation. अच्छा, अब है इजाफी यानी एडिशनल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज इन्वायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन? आंसर. Environmental pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the environment that damage living and non-living things. Question number 2. Name the two parts of the environment. Answer. The environment has two parts: natural environment, human-made environment. Question 3. What are the pollutants? Answer. Pollutants are harmful substances added to the environment that cause pollution. Question number 4. What is water pollution? Answer. Water pollution is the unwanted change in the physical or chemical composition of water. Question number 5. Give one cause of a soil pollution. Answer. The use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides is a major cause of soil pollution. Question number 6. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the presence of harmful gases, smoke and dust in the atmosphere. Question number 7. What is noise pollution? Answer. Noise pollution is unpleasant and high-pitched sound that disturbs human life. Question number 8. What is light pollution? Answer. Light pollution is excessive or poor use of artificial light that disturb natural patterns. Question number 9. What are greenhouse gases? Answer. greenhouse gases are gases like carbon dioxide that trap heat in the atmosphere. What is biodiversity? Answer: biodiversity is the variety of living organisms यानी plants, animals, etc. in an area. अब है long question इजाफी with answers. Additional long questions है. अच्छा, question number 1. Explain types of pollution and their causes. Answer: the types of pollution and their causes are below. Types of pollution. There are 5 main types of pollution. Number 1, water pollution. Causes: industrial waste, sewage, oil spills, fertilizers. Effect: harms aquatic life and spreads diseases. Number 2, soil pollution. Causes: chemicals, deforestation, waste dumping. Effect: reduces oil fertility and affects crops. Air pollution. Causes: vehicles, factories, burning fuels. Effects: causes diseases and global warming. Noise pollution. Causes: traffic, machinery, loudspeakers. Effect: hearing problems and stress. Light pollution. Causes: excessive artificial lights. Effect: disturbs sleep and wildlife. Question number 2. Describe the effects of water and air pollution. Answer: the detail of the effects of water and air pollution is below. Effects of water pollution: causes diseases like cholera and typhoid, kills aquatic life, leads to water contamination. Effects of air pollution: causes of breathing problems, leads to acid rain, damages ozone layer, causes global warming. Question number 3. What are the ways to reduce pollution? Answer: following are the ways to reduce pollution. Treat industrial waste before disposal. Avoid throwing garbage in open places. Reduce use of vehicles. Recycle plastic materials. Plant more trees. Reduce use of CFCs. अच्छा, individual responsibilities. Follow 3 R's यानी reduce, reuse, recycle. Save resources and reduce waste. Question number 4. Explain greenhouse effect and global warming. Answer: the greenhouse effect and global warming is as under. Greenhouse effect: it is the process in which gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the atmosphere and keep Earth warm. Global warming: it is the increase in Earth's atmosphere due to excess greenhouse gases. Causes: burning fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial activities. Impacts: melting glaciers, floods and droughts, climate change. Question number 5. What are the harmful effects of ozone layer depletion and how can it be prevented? Answer: the detail of harmful effects of ozone layer depletion and their prevention are given below. Harmful effects: skin cancer in humans, weak immune system, damage to plants and animals, increased UV radiation reaching Earth. Prevention: avoid use of CFCs, use eco-friendly appliances, maintain air conditioners, reduce pollution. तो ये थे डियर स्टूडेंट्स चैप्टर नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ, तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप लोग मुझे वॉइस मैसेज या टेक्स्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं अगर आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स PDF फॉर्मेट में चाहिए। लेकिन उससे पहले आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा, फिर उसका स्क्रीनशॉट मुझे भेज दीजिएगा, फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ये PDF फॉर्मेट में भेज दूँगा उसी नंबर पे। तो जाते जाते आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को भी लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये लेक्चर अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो तो इसको लाइक करना है और शेयर करना है अपने दोस्तों के साथ। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। उस वक़्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।